Hello everyone, this is Harshita Aswani. So today in this video, I'll be talking about how I completed my exploratory data analysis project by using the Walmart sales data. So first of all, I imported the necessary libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and then I loaded the data set, and then I checked the first 5 rows of the data set, and after that I checked the last 5 rows of the data set, and then I checked the shape of the data set. So it is showing that the data set is having 3203 rows and 12 columns, and then I checked the size of the data set, which is nothing but the number of rows multiplied by the number of columns. And this is showing that 38436. And then I checked the columns in the data set. So these are the columns, that is order ID, order date, ship date, customer name, country, city, state, category, product name, sales, quantity, and profit. And then I checked the information of the data set by using the info method. So here you can see that the data type of order ID is object, data type of order date is object, data type of ship date is object, data type of customer name, country, city, state, category, product name is object, and the data type of sales quantity and profit is float. And then I used the describe method to get the statistical summary of the dataset. Here we can see that in the statistical summary, I got the count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, 25 percentile, 50 percentile, 75 percentile, and the maxima. And then I looked for the null values. So here we can see that there are 0 null values in the dataset. And then I checked the duplicate values. So here we can see that there are no duplicate values. And then I extracted the sales by category by using the sum. So here you can see that these are the categories and these numbers are showing the sales. So the category, that is chairs, is having the maximum amount of sales, and the category fasteners is having the minimum amount of sales. I also plotted this here by using the bar plot. So in this visual diagram, here you can see that the category chairs is having the maximum sales amount and the category fasteners is having the minimum sales amount. Next, I extracted the average sales per month by using the mean method. So here you can see that this is the maximum average sales and this is the minimum average sales. I also plotted this as a line plot. So here you can see that the maximum was between 2 to 4, that is between July to April, and the minimum was between 8 to 10, that is between August to October. And then I extracted the sales by state. You can see that the state, that is California, is having the maximum amount of sales, and the state Wyoming is having the minimum amount of sales. Here I extracted the sales by product. These are the product names and this is the sales amount. Here you can see that Canon image class 2200 advanced copier is having the maximum amount of sales, while the guest stacker chair with chrome finish legs is having the minimum amount of sales. So here I created a hex bin showing the sales by month and category. Here the darker region is showing the more amount of sales, while the lighter region is showing the minimum amount of sales. Next, I created a scatter plot showing the sales by customer. Here we can see that these two are showing the less amount of sales by two customers, and this one is showing the maximum amount of sales by this one customer. Here I created a line plot showing the monthly sales growth. Here we can see that in the month after January, the sales growth is quite high, and here we can see that in January 2013 and in January 2014, the sales growth is quite low. So this was all about my today's project. See you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching till the end.
If you like this video, give thumbs up and subscribe if you are new on this channel.